Hi everyone and welcome back. We're on the A515 heading north towards Buxton. Our first turning is coming up as per that signpost. It's to the right and it's onto the B5055. You're just a minute away from the site now, the entrance to which will be on the right hand side. Here's the dairy itself, but don't take that one. For the campsite you'll need the second turning. And here we are. You're about a 10-minute drive from Bakewell, a 15-minute drive from Buxton, and there's plenty of walking and cycle trails around the area too. Many thanks to Rob for providing the footage for this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Cheers.